Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which is the tallest dam in India? Right answer is option B, Tehri Dam. Where is Ramappa Temple situated? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. What is the escape velocity of Earth? Right answer is option A, 11.2 km per second. Which article of the Indian Constitution specifies the process for the impeachment of the President of India? Right answer is option C, Article 61. Which state in India shares its borders with Nepal, Bhutan, and China? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. Who gave the first estimate of national income in India? Right answer is option C, Dadabhai Nauroji. The recently constructed Ayodhya Ram Mandir is located on the bank of which river? Right answer is option C, Sarayu River. Which metal is combined with iron to prevent rusting? Right answer is option B, zinc. Who is responsible for appointing the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court of India? Correct answer is option B, the President. What is the length of India's total coastline? Right answer is option C, 11,098.81 km. Which is the longest dam in India? Right answer is option B, Hirakud Dam. Which temple is also known as the Khajuraho of Vidarbha? Correct answer is option B, Markandeshwar Temple. Which vitamin is quickly synthesized in the human body? Correct answer is option B, vitamin D. What is the term of office of the Vice President of India as per the Constitution? Correct answer is option B, 5 years. Which Indian state is the largest producer of cashew nuts? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. During which movement was Vallabhbhai Patel titled Sardar? Right answer is option C, Bartoli Satyagraha. Who built the Brihadeshwara temple of Tanjore? Right answer is option C, Rajaraja Chola the first. Which of the following is not measured by a tachometer? Right answer is option B, pressure difference. Which article of the Constitution outlines the election procedure for the Vice President of India? Right answer is option C, Article 66. What is the longest expressway in India as of now? Right answer is option B, Delhi Mumbai Expressway. How long did it take to frame the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. In which city is the Tungnath temple located? Right answer is option B, Chamoli, Uttarakhand. What is the name of the device used to convert alternating current to direct current? Correct answer is option A, rectifier. Which constitutional provision deals with the appointment of the Prime Minister and other ministers? Right answer is option C, Article 75. In which year was the Forest Survey of India established? Right answer is option B, 1981. To whom is the Union Council of Ministers collectively responsible? Right answer is option C, Lok Sabha. The Virupaksha temple is located in? Right answer is option B, Hampi, Karnataka. Which gland is located in the human eye? Right answer is option C, Melbomian gland. Who has the authority to remove the Vice President of India from office? Right answer is option D, the Parliament. Which national park holds the title of the first established in India? Right answer is option B, Jim Corbett National Park. Which is the longest beach in India? Right answer is option B, Marina Beach. Where is the Padmanabhaswamy temple located? Right answer is option C, Kerala. Which organ gets affected by malaria? Right answer is option D, spleen. According to Article 78 of the Indian Constitution, who is responsible for communicating all decisions of the Council of Ministers to the President? Right answer is option C, Prime Minister. Which river is the second longest in India? Right answer is option D, Godavari River. In which state is the Vanakburi Thermal Power Station located? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. What is the stone like disc seen at the top of temples in Orissa called? Correct answer is option B, Amalaka. The scientific study of flowers is called what? Right answer is option B, anthology. The Supreme Court of India currently consists of how many judges, including the Chief Justice? Right answer is option C, 34 judges. Which state is the leading tin producer in India? Correct answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. What is the international dialing code for India? Correct answer is option C, +91. Where is the Lotus Temple located? Right answer is option B, Delhi. Which component is most abundant in honey? Right answer is option B, fructose. The executive power of the Union is vested in which constitutional authority? Right answer is option D, the President. What is the name of the Ganga River in Bangladesh? Right answer is option B, Padma River. Which of the following is not a member of ASEAN? Correct answer is option C, Taiwan. Who among the following attacked the Somnath temple? Right answer is option C, Mahmud of Ghazni. Which force keeps a satellite moving in its orbit around the Earth? Right answer is option D, centripetal force. Which article in the Indian Constitution grants the President the power to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment? Right answer is option B, Article 72. Where is the National Dairy Research Institute located? Right answer is option B, Karnal, Haryana. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.